The eccentric pull-up is a variation of the pull-up that focuses on just the slow lowering portion of the pull-up. This helps really target and build a strong back. To get started, to limit the amount of exertion placed on the raising of the pull-up, it's best to stand on a box or step that is just high enough so you can still fully extend your arms. If you don't have a box, you can jump up to the bar, then slowly control the lowering. So make sure to place a box or step directly below a pull-up bar so you can jump straight up and down. To begin the movement, while gripping the pull-up bar with an overhand grip, jump up to pull your chin up over the bar. Once your chin is over the bar, lower your body in a slow and controlled manner. You can do this for a 4 to 10 second count or however long your workout program indicates. Once you reach the bottom of the pull-up, keep holding onto the bar, then jump up to complete another rep. Repeat for reps. Subscribe for more Live Lean TV daily exercises.